Hey, my couponing friends! If you want to learn how to lower your out-of-pocket cost at Walgreens, this is the video for you. I found a simple in-store rolling register rewards plan that you can do this week. We are going to start with just $4 out of pocket, earn a register reward, and use that reward to help pay for the next transaction. By the end of this trip, you will have toothpaste, dish soap, fabric softener, mouthwash, body wash, and hand soap. You will also leave the store with another register reward that you can use later. These deals are valid at Walgreens from June 7th through June 13th, but you can follow this plan through Friday, June 12th. Before you head to the store, open your Walgreens app and clip your digital coupons. You will need the $4 off 2 Colgate coupon, the $1 Ajax coupon, and the $1 Suavitel coupon. Always check your app before you shop because coupon availability can vary by account. You should also check the shelf tags to make sure you are grabbing the correct participating products. Let's start with transaction 1. Grab 2 participating Colgate toothpastes priced at $4 each. Your total will be $8. Use the $4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon. You will pay $4 plus tax and receive a $3 register reward. Do not use that reward on another Colgate transaction. We are going to roll it into a different promotion. For transaction 2, grab 1 Ajax dish soap for $4.99 and 1 Suavitel fabric softener for $4.99. Your total will be $9.98. Use your $1 Ajax digital coupon and your $1 Suavitel digital coupon. Then use the $3 register reward that you earned from the Colgate deal. You also need to add 1 inexpensive filler item to this transaction. Grab a cheap eligible item, such as a small piece of candy or another low-cost item. You need the filler because you are using 2 digital manufacturer coupons and 1 paper register reward. After the coupons and your reward, you will pay $4.98 plus the cost of your filler item and tax. You will receive another $3 register reward. Now let's roll that reward into transaction 3. Grab 2 participating Listerine Fresh Burst oral rinses. The 8.5-ounce bottles are priced at $4.49 each, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. Your total should be about $6.74. Use the $3 register reward from your Ajax and Suavitel transaction. You will pay about $3.74 plus tax. You will receive a $4 register reward. For transaction 4, we are rolling that $4 reward into body wash. Grab 2 St. Ives body washes. They are $5 each, so your total will be $10. Use your $4 register reward from the Listerine deal. You will pay $6 plus tax and receive another $4 register reward. For the final transaction, grab 2 Method foaming hand soaps priced at $4 each. Your total will be $8. Use the $4 register reward from your St. Ives transaction. You will pay $4 plus tax and receive a $2 register reward. Let's recap everything. You are getting 2 Colgate toothpastes, 1 Ajax dish soap, 1 Suavitel fabric softener, 2 Listerine oral rinses, 2 St. Ives body washes, and 2 Method hand soaps. That is 10 products, plus your inexpensive filler item. Your total out-of-pocket is approximately $22.72, plus the cost of your filler item and tax. You will still have a $2 register reward left to use on another eligible purchase. Before you leave the register after each transaction, check your receipt and make sure your paper reward printed. If the reward does not print, do not move on to the next transaction until you ask an employee for help. And remember, always complete each deal in a separate transaction. Do not use a register reward to repeat the exact same offer that printed it. If this video helped you save money, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. I share the best Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, and Target deals every week. Comment below and let me know which deal you are doing first. I will see y'all in the next video. Happy couponing!